Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix Safari not working on iPhone. So if Safari isn't working on your iPhone, so the issue could be caused by a poor connection, software glitch, incorrect settings, or problematic website. So to fix this, so first is to force close Safari. So swipe up from the bottom of the screen, then swipe Safari up to close it, then reopen Safari and see if that works. Next is to restart your iPhone. So a simple restart can resolve temporary software issues. So you need to press and hold the power button and either volume button on newer iPhones. Then slide to power off and wait 30 seconds. Then turn your iPhone back on. Then open Safari and see if that solves the problem. Next is to clear Safari history and website data. So open settings, then scroll down to apps. Scroll down and select Safari from the options. Next, scroll down until you see Clear History and Website Data. Click on that. Choose a time frame and select Clear History. Next is to disable Safari extensions. So again, go to Settings. Now scroll down and open Apps. Then scroll down again and select Safari. Next, scroll down and select Extensions. Then turn off extensions one by one. Then test Safari after disabling each extensions. Next is to update iOS. So to do that, open your settings, then go to General. Now scroll down and go to Software Update and download and install any available updates. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.